Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how to create this perspective text animation inside of DaVinci Resolve. Now I have my image over here. I'm going to drag this on the flow. Take a look at the image. This is how it is going to look. Now this is 1000 by 1000 pixel image. I want this to be in a 1920 by 1080 composition, so I'll just add in a crop node to this. Take a look at the crop node. Now it's 1920 by 1080. I'll just click on this keep center checkbox to center it. Now before the crop, I will just add in a transform and scale it down. Also sort of rotate it like this. Now we need to add the text. So for that, I will just add in the text tool and connect that up. So result in a merge. Take a look at it. In the text, you can type in any text that you want. I'm going to type in Air Max. I'm going to copy it 2 times. For the font, I'll use Space Grotesque. Next up, we have to go to the layout, change the type to circle, and now we can mess around with the width so that we have this complete text. And then with the size, you can increase or decrease that over here. Once you're happy with that, then you can change the X to get that 3D look. Alright, we need to now hide the text behind the shoes. So for that, we will copy these 2 nodes at the top, paste them below, and connect that up like so. Take a look at this merge tool. You can see the shoes in front of the text. I will mask out this portion over here. So for that, we'll add in a rectangle mask. You can do this with the polygon mask as well, but rectangle mask will work for this example. I'll just change the angle and fix the mask so that we hide the text behind the shoes, something like this. And now for the animation, go to the text, and if we change the Z, see that this will rotate in a weird way, so we'll have to fix that. To do that, we have to change the rotation order, set this to YZX, and now if we rotate the Z, it will rotate correctly. So I'll just go to the very first frame, create a keyframe on Z rotation, go to the last frame and set this to negative 360, so it will rotate clockwise like that. And that is pretty much it. So now if you want to, you can go to the transform as well and change the X rotation, and you'll kind of get some cool results out of it. You can mess around with X, Y, Z over here. You can change this to words or lines, but I'll just leave that to the default for now. And if you want to, you can also add in a drop shadow under this, and this will sort of give some really cool results for you. Right, so there we have it. That's how you can do this. And if you connect this with the media out, go to the edit page, we have the text over here. I can add any sort of background under it, so let's just go with this one, and there you go. That's how you can create this cool text effect inside of DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.